Fellow Parkland homeowners, how are you? Rick Rapp here again, coming at you live from Travers Moran Realty, Parkland's only boutique real estate firm, located in the shops of Parkland, right next door to the BJ's. I'm here today to share with you all of the sales activity in the month of May 2014 in our wonderful city of Parkland, Florida. Let's take a look and see what sold last month. Well, there you have it. Those are all the sales in the month of May 2014 in our wonderful city of Parkland, Florida. If you have any questions regarding any of the homes that you've just seen or are curious about what your home is worth in this market, please feel free to reach out to me at any time. You can call me at 954-873-1801, email me at rick@rickrapp.com, or feel free to swing by the office. Again, we're located in the shops of Parkland at 5923 West Hillsborough Boulevard, right next door to the BJ's. And keep in mind, you can always search all active and recently sold activity in our city of Parkland at the parklandrealestatereport.com. That wraps it up for today. I'll see you all next month. Thanks for watching.